Hello everyone. Today we are going to start new topic integers. We have learned about whole numbers and natural numbers. So first one is set of natural numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. But what about whole numbers? Whole numbers starts from 0, as we have learnt this in the second chapter. So whenever in set of natural number you include 0, then it becomes set of whole numbers. But we have some negative numbers also. So that negative numbers comes in the set of integers. So whenever you are talking about negative numbers, so when we are including all the numbers, suppose -1, -2, -3 and 0, 1, 2, so on. So these type of numbers in which we are including whole numbers as well as negative numbers, then this set of numbers is known as integers. So what are integers? It is a set which involves whole numbers as well as negative numbers also. Now coming to types of integers. We have two types of integers. First one is positive integers and next one is negative integers. Now how will you depict these integers on number line? I am going to mark a number line here. You have to draw a number line. In between you have to mark 0 and you have to mark some points which are at equal distance. So right side of 0 I have to mark positive numbers, means positive integers, and left side of 0 I have to mark negative integers. Plus VE means I am talking about positive integers. Minus VE means I am talking about negative integers. Left side of 0 you have to write negative integers like -1, -2, -3, so on. On right side you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. You have to be careful that each number should be at equal distance. So this was about the positive and negative integers. Where will you mark integers on number line? So you have positive integers on right hand side of 0 and negative integers on left hand side of 0. Now in the integers you have to tag the number with a sign. Means sign is important in this case. As I have marked a number line here, all the points are at equal distance. Positive integers are on the right side of the 0 and negative integers are on the left side of 0. Now suppose Mohan is at 1. He has to go 2 steps forward. Means he will move 2 steps forward, means he would come at 3. So 1 plus 2, when you will add 2 in this, he would be at plus 3. Means current position of Mohan is plus 3. Now he is going back 5 steps, means 5 steps backward he has to move. Current position of Mohan is plus 3. He is going 5 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means current position of Mohan is -2. Means now Mohan is at -2. As you can see here, sign is important in this case. As you can see this question is write the following numbers with appropriate sign. First part is 100 meter above sea level. We are talking about sea level. We are considering sea level is at 0. 100 meter above. Above means plus. So you will write here 100 meter. Just 100 meter or plus 100 meter. Both are same. Next is 30 centimeter above 0 degree C. Again I am talking about above. Above 0 means plus. You can write like this, plus 30 degree C. Next is 10 degree C below 0. Below 0 means negative side. So it would be minus 10 degree C. As you can see here, I am putting plus or minus sign, means I am talking about positive integers or negative integers. In case of below, I am putting negative sign. Above means upar, means plus. We are adding something. Next question is deposit of rupees 1000. Whatever money I have deposited 1000 rupees, means I am adding something. I am adding some money in the current account. So I am adding means I have to add 1000 rupees. I will write plus 1000. Similarly, if you have question withdrawal, suppose you have withdrawn 500 rupees from the current account, so it would be rupees 500 but with negative sign, because withdrawn means taken out, so it would be minus 500. Now we are discussing exercise 6.1, question number 1, that is write opposite of each of the following. First one is you have to write increase in weight. What would be the opposite of this? Just you have to write the opposite. You are not writing number and you are not writing any number with sign. Question is you have to just write opposite of this. If question is increase in weight, what is the opposite of increase? Yes, that would be decrease in weight. So you will write answer decrease in weight. Next is loss of rupees 700. If someone has loss of rupees 700, then what would be the opposite of that? We will say that person has profit of rupees 700. Opposite of loss would be profit of rupees 700. In the first question, you have to write just opposite of the question given. Question number 7 is write all the integers between, B part is -4 and 4. You have to write all the integers between. As we have discussed about the number line, you know, we always mark numbers at equal distance. Minus would be on this side, positive numbers would be right to the 0. Now you can see 4 and -4 here. You have to write all the integers which are between -4 and 4. So what would be the answer? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. That would be the, yes, 3 also. So answer would be -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So it would be the answer. These are the integers between -4 and 4. Suppose question is you have to mark, you have to write all the integers between 0 and 7. So again you will draw the line from 0 to 7. 7 would be on this side, on the right. You will leave 0 and 7 and you will write answer. All the integers would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 between 0 and 7. I am taking one more example. Suppose you have question, write all the integers between -3 and 2. On the same number line you can check. You have to write all the integers between -3 and 2. So answer would be -2, -1, 0 and 1. I hope you have understood this. Thank you. Have a nice day.